Use pptXTREME Ripplify to stagger, align, and adjust PowerPoint animations fast. Create professional sequences that captivate your audience in seconds. Accessible from the shortcut bar. Change the duration of all selected effects at once. Set the delay and click Go to easily stagger all the selected animations. Change all the endpoints to end at the same time. You can change the grouping for staggering when you have multiple effects for the same animation. Change all selected durations fast and easy. Use the pptXTREME one-click adjustments on the pptXTREME shortcut bar for easy 1/2 second timing adjustments. Here I apply pptXTREME smooth fly-in animation. Next, I set grouping back to 1 and stagger to 0.3 seconds. Changing stagger to sequence will sequence the effects from start time to end time and will apply ease in, ease out. Again, easily adjusting the durations. Now I'm going to change the easing curve so you can see the difference of each option. And of course, you can change where to apply the ease. Once again, set all durations at once. Align all endpoints together. Shift all animations so the start points align together. One more time. This time I am going to sequence over 5 seconds with a cubic ease in. Then adjust the endpoints so they all end at the same time. With pptXTREME Ripplify, create polished professional animations effortlessly. Try it today and transform your presentations.